you po.
Wow! That was beautiful! Anong pangalan mo?
Harji Ganza po.
Harji. That song was very Harji, no?
Thank you.
Anong meaning ng kanta para sa'yo?
Himala po kasi po sa dami po ng mahirap na pinagdaanan po ng pamilya ko at ako po, nandyan pa rin po yung Diyos para magbigay sa akin ng himala gaya po ng pagtungtong ko dito sa stage po sa The Voice Teens po.
Tama-tama yung delivery mo. Kung yan ang
Thank you
talagang
po.
meaning ng song para sa'yo, dapat yun din ang meaning ng song para sa atin lahat, no? Kahit ano mangyari, nandiyan pa rin si Diyos, di ba?
Thank you po.
Very nice performance. I'm so happy na umikot yung silya ko. Thank you so much for that great performance.
Thank you po.
Bamboo, what happened?
Pagdating sa songs na very familiar ako, na that's a part of my life, na medyo critical talaga ako eh. Nung nag-build up na yung kanta, ikaw hindi ka nagba-build up eh. The only time I can say na parang na-match mo yung intensity ng moment was yung dulo. It shows me your power, your capability, ang daming mo kayang gawin mo. So napakaswerte yung mga coaches mo.
Kanina,
Thank you
pag-start
po.
mo palang kumanta, you weren't trying to sound like the Coach Bamboo version. You were trying to make it your own. The moment na pinindot ko yung red button ko, it was actually the moment na lumipad ka na. That alone already told me na parang, okay, kaya niya. So in the future, when you choose me as your coach, pipiliin na lang natin kung saang mga importanteng parte ka na dapat maglagay ng intensity vocally.
Thank you so much po.
So, maraming salamat for an amazing performance. Probably one of my most favorite auditions so far.
Yeah. So please, if you can, make your decision. I would love to have you on Mark Team.
On Team Supreme.
Are you ready?
Pumili sa Team Supreme.
Ang coach po na pipiliin ko, dahil alam ko po na ito yung makakatulong sa akin at madadala po ako nito sa Grand Finals. I see.
Let's take it all the way!
KZ po.
Ready?